Born Cottage, the beautiful tiny house you are watching on the screen. In this video, I'll share the complete floor plan of this house with all the sizes and details. So keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of this house. The total area I have taken is width is 16 feet 4 inches in meter 5 meter and the length is 20 feet in meter 6 meter. So there is a sliding door for entering inside. We have a kitchen cum living area. The total size of the kitchen cum living area is 11 feet 4 inches into 11 feet in meter 3.45 into 3.35 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also in the front wall we have a TV unit here, kitchen counter here, burner, sink and refrigerator arrangement. On the left side we have a common washroom plus water closet. We have a wash basin here, and after that we will go inside. So we have a washroom plus water closet. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 7 feet 8 inches in meter 1.21 into 2.33 meter. You can see here the water closet and the shower area both are separate. After that we will go inside. We have a room here. The size of the room is 11 feet 4 inches into 8 feet in meter 3.45 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and also a large size window for ventilation and light purpose. We have a attached washroom plus water closet here with this room. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 8 feet in meter 1.21 into 2.43 meter. Also the water closet and shower area both are separate, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom plus water closet. So this is the floor plan of this house you are watching on the screen. If you like the video, keep watching the videos and stay tuned with my channel. Thanks.